subjects. Adidas Active, the only antiperspirant with sweat-activated smart technology. The harder you sweat, the harder it works. Adidas Active. Athletes get it.
The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Jefferson County in eastern Idaho until 3:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 12:04 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Around 2 to 3 inches of rain are expected in the warned area. Flash flooding will impact small creeks and streams, as well as urban areas, streets, highways, and underpasses. For your protection, seek higher ground now.
The way your body looking make me really feel naughty.
That's a big fish, man. Mikey. Stick. I want that one. Stick.